Hey pretties, it's time for another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on session. And this month's fix is getting me out of my comfort zone. So one of the things that I love most about Stitch Fix is that I get some pieces in my boxes that I would absolutely never pick for myself. And I think a lot of times we get stuck in ruts and we just keep buying the same things over and over again. And it's so nice to have some fresh perspective and someone actually try to get me out of my comfort zone to try some new styles. And that's exactly what's in this box this month. Okay, for starters, we have something in here that's pretty typically me, and that's a cozy cardigan. We've got this cute long cardigan. And the brand on this is Pink Clover, and it is a textured 2-pocket cardigan in light gray. The price of this is $48. Next up, we've got this tie front blouse. It is by Bixby, and it is $42. It's kind of a blushy pink and beige color, which I love neutrals. The tie front, though, is definitely a comfort zone buster, so I'm going to be trying these on in a minute and showing you what I think of them. Next up, and this was definitely a comfort zone challenger, we have a black denim skirt. I would never have picked this for myself, so I haven't tried this on yet, and I'm just really interested to see what my reaction is going to be to this piece. Okay, so this next piece, my stylist told me that she checked out my Pinterest boards, which is where she gets lots of ideas and inspiration, and she saw some mustard pieces on there, so she chose this pretty floral blouse. It is yellow and blue, and it kind of has a faux wrap front on it. And I actually really like this. It's not something I would have picked for myself, but it's really cute. And this is West KEI is the brand, and it is Allen Roll Tab High-Low Blouse in mustard, and it is $42. And lastly, we have these STS skinny jeans in dark blue, and they are $55. This is a sure bet for Alison. Definitely well within my comfort zone. All right, it's time to try everything on. All right, and now it's time for the comfort zone busters. Woohoo! So I actually like the denim skirt. It's really cute. This is not something I would have picked for myself, but I am totally open-minded now to wearing denim skirts, and I might try to pick some up for spring. The top, I'm just kind of not digging too much. It's just kind of blah for me. I don't think it flatters me in any way, shape, or form. I think it would look cute with a pair of white jeans, but I don't think I like it enough that I would actually continue to wear it. Also, this outfit looks cute with the cardigan thrown on top and paired up with a pair of sneakers. This is a really cute outfit. I just don't feel like it's my own personal style, and I don't feel like I would probably wear it in real life. So it's probably gonna be a no. All right, so I started off with the mustard top and jeans, which were the two pieces that are most solidly inside my comfort zone. And I think this looks really cute together. I could see this paired up with flats for a more casual look, or with heels for a night out. I do like the high-low hem on this top, and the jeans actually fit me really, really well. I have a hard time with jeans hitting at the right spot on my ankle, and these seem to be perfect. And since I'm 5'4", that's super important to me. I can also add the cardigan on, and it makes a really cute topper for this outfit. Bottom line, although it was super fun to get out of my comfort zone and try some new pieces, I didn't end up falling in love with any of them. So you know me, if it's not a heck yes, it's a no. I'm not gonna buy something just to have it. I've gotta actually really, really love it. So all of these pieces are gonna end up being sent back. But the good news is I have opened my mind a little bit towards denim skirts, and I think that I'm gonna pick up one to wear this spring and summer because it's a nice alternative to shorts. So yay! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get even more tips on easy style and living your prettiest life. Bye.